ICT Stewardship for Agricultural Extension. Case Study Part D. The Campaign Objective. Turn to Part D in your case study booklet and follow along as you watch this short video. Pause the video until you are ready to begin. In Parts B and C, we learned how the technology steward helps the community to identify priorities and choose an appropriate ICT tool. We also learned that technology stewardship follows 4 core principles. Form a vision for the future. Keep it simple when choosing ICT tools. Understand failure, build on success. Use the knowledge around you, and build a coalition of support. In Part D, we will learn how the technology steward uses the vision to create a campaign objective. At the meeting, the technology steward helped the community to first create a vision for the future. This was to find a way to improve timeliness and lower costs of communication with the DOEA. This vision helped the community classify its priority actions into 2 categories. The first category was messaging to schedule meetings and provide information updates. The second category was to find a better way to access expertise. This would make it easier for members to contact DOEA with questions related to pest management, cultivation techniques, and so forth. In this course, we will introduce you to a method to classify priority actions. This will help when creating your campaign objective and choosing an appropriate ICT tool to test with your community. This spider diagram shows 6 basic categories of communication actions: scheduling meetings, supporting conversations or discussion among members, curating content such as photos or reports, managing projects, access to expertise, and social networking. In the case study, scheduling meetings and access to expertise were given highest priority. A spider diagram is used to visualize the priorities. Working with community members, the technology steward ranks each activity from 1 to 5 by importance. He or she then connects those points with a line on the diagram. The points at the outside ring are considered higher priority actions. This activity helped Chandana and his community to choose a campaign objective. In this course, you will learn how to create a campaign objective with your community of practice. In the case study, the technology steward and community arrived at this objective. This is a well-defined campaign objective because it contains 3 important details. It sets a specific target related to the future vision. It identifies priority actions for the campaign. And it has a clearly defined community of practice. A well-defined campaign objective will help the technology steward to plan and carry out an ICT trial with the community. In Part E, we will learn about the next step in choosing an ICT tool for the campaign. Now take a moment to answer questions in Part D of the quiz. Once you're done, then watch the next video in Part E.